Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm celebrating 100 subscribers. Yay! Let's find out the 5 tips I used to gain 100 subscribers in 3 weeks. Today I'm here with my husband to share with you the tips we use to get the 100 subscribers. Number 1 is to take your time to add video information correctly.
First thing is the title. You would want to write a title that people can search and find. What I asked Rita to is to write a title that's descriptive about what she actually is doing. Try not to write a title like Vlog 34. No one will be searching for that. The second thing is the description. If you are using some products, you have to write it in, you can provide some links, list anything that is relevant to your video. And number 3 is the thumbnail. YouTube actually said that the thumbnail is one of the things that drive traffic. Also, the tags are a very important part of the video. We actually invest a lot of time in this, and the reason being is that people search using some search terms, and YouTube collates these terms and create tags. When we first published the first couple of videos, we really ran out of ideas about what to write in tags, and the problem with tags is there is no autocomplete in this field. So I can write makeup tutorial and I can write makeup tutorials. So which one of them people search more? It's a very tricky thing, and also YouTube gives you 500 characters to write in this tags field, and I found out in the first couple of videos that we wrote like 100 characters or something for 3-4 tags, and that's it. So what I did is I kept searching, and I found that there are 2 products online that help you with that. One of them is called TubeBuddy and one of them is called vidIQ. I did a lot of research in this point and decided to go with TubeBuddy. Both of these products have free versions of them, but I decided to go with the paid version of the TubeBuddy and the free version of vidIQ. I'll probably need to post a different video to explain this point, but what I'm getting at is that with TubeBuddy you get suggestions. So if you write smoky eye, TubeBuddy will search using the YouTube API to get you the tags that are used by the other channels, and will give you lots of suggestions. So from that moment onward, we use the 500 characters, so we put as many relevant tags, of course, as we can. So we have put the affiliate link of YouTube Buddy in the description below, and I really encourage people who want to get more traffic to use these products because this actually helps you.
Second point is to share your content on social media.
You want your friends to watch the video. Have it on your Facebook page, share it, create a Twitter account. Rita didn't have a Twitter account, so we started a Twitter account. She has a really big Instagram account for her business, and also we try to let the people know by tagging friends on Facebook. So you need to let your friends know that you posted something.
Third point is to reply to all the comments that you get.
You don't get a lot of comments at the start, and when someone posts a comment, you really need to show them that you appreciate them. The YouTube has options to like or dislike the comment, has option to give the comment a heart and reply. So I can see some people that reply to the comments, but they don't use the like or the heart. What you need to know is that when you give a comment a heart, the person gets notification saying congratulations, this channel gave you a heart on your comment. So if someone says very good makeup or very nice look or something like that, and you just reply thank you, that's the end of the story. You need to give it a like. If it's a really good comment, you need to give it a heart. You need to write something constructive in the reply. So thanks a lot for this. If you want me to do more of this, let me know. Or if they're talking about the palette and they said this is a good palette, you say yes, I used it a lot, or this is the first time I use it, I'm gonna post something on, stay tuned, something like that. So Rita used these techniques to engage with the people. Think of it like this: if you say thank you and that's it, you presented yourself once in front of this person. But if you like him or her comment, if you hearted the comment, replied with something like an open-ended discussion, like would you like me to do this or something, you presented yourself 3-4 times in front of that person. So there is a bigger chance that this person will come back and see the channel. So try to put yourself in front of your viewers many times.
Fourth point is to put your video in playlist.
YouTube tries to understand what this video is about and what are the related videos to it. When you have a very limited content, you'd want to put your videos in playlists so you get better chances of occupying two spots, the up next and the related content, because it takes a lot of time for YouTube to learn that YouTube needs to put all your videos with each other. So if you just if a visitor landed onto a video and they liked the video but there's nothing about you in the related videos or up next, chances are they will watch someone else's.
Fifth and last point is to sub for a sub.
You want to sub for sub?
Yes.
This is a double-edged sword, so we need to understand this carefully. So after you did all that and you put all the information, everything in the YouTube channel, and you started with some videos, don't do that when you have one video or two videos. Just try when you have a bit of content in your channel. Now I have watched many videos from the large content creator channels, and they were saying that sub for sub is something that sometimes put people off, and I understand why. It's because some people would have like a template sentence, hey girl, sub for sub, and that's it. So that doesn't show any appreciation, and YouTube can probably trace that you've used the same comment for so many times and your comment ends in the likely spam part of the comments. What Rita did instead is she would go to the channels that have small numbers, and she would watch the video, know what is it about, and write a constructive comment that really shows to the person that Rita cared and looked at the video and got some comment, like for example the color blends well or whatever. I don't really know much about makeup, but when she does that, she would tell the person that, by the way, I have a channel that I do makeup tutorials on. I'd appreciate if you go and check that. So it's not, first of all, it's not something that's forcing or spammy. It shows the person that we really care and she really watched the thing. And the other thing is, it's an offer. I'd appreciate if you can come back and check the channel. And what we found out is that people like this idea and they will come and leave another comment.
Yeah.
Like that, like I like this palette, or I can see some of the comments are not actually, yeah, I came back to sub and that's it. And why we're saying that, because getting more sub is not your only aim if you're trying to monetize your channel. With this very highly and competitive market like the makeup, you would want to build real connections. And when you talk to people like that, you get more chances that people actually watch your videos. Because if you plan to monetize your channel, there are two criteria that YouTube puts. Number one is 1,000 subscribers, and number two is 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Mm-hmm. If you think about that, you have a small channel, and there's something called retention period, which we'll talk about in different videos. But the retention period is how much of the video people actually watch. So if you put a 10-minute video, most likely people will watch the first 2-3 minutes and they end. And there's actually tools in YouTube that gets you to track that. We'll talk about it later in another video. So you'd want people to actually come and watch, not just come and put a sub and go back, because having 1,000 subscribers is not hard. You can talk to people on Facebook and do all this and that, but the watch time actually is the killer. So just try to watch the videos really, to give the person appreciation that, yeah, we appreciate the effort you did in the video. Leave a good comment there and invite them to come and sub your video, because to be honest, yes, we need sub for sub in the small channels. So part of the people will come just for the sub and part of the people will be interested. And another tip is to try to choose the channels that have similar interests. Like if you found the person that says sub for sub but it's a gaming channel and this is a makeup channel, no chance on earth that this person will be dedicated to watch and enjoy and comment and stuff like that. They will be, yes, they might come and sub, but you know, yeah,
they're not interested in makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below if you liked this type of tech talk videos and if you want us to do more of these videos. Also, don't forget to push the red button, the subscribe button below, and also the notification bell to get notified when I do new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!